What's going on, everyone? Zeekman here. I am in Pattaya, Thailand. I am at the famous walking street here in Pattaya. We'll be making a video there soon. But today we're going to take a walk down Beach Avenue. We're going to go all the way down. It's about a half a mile. Just take a walk, show you the beach, show you what's going on. Hopefully we meet some local people. And yeah, so you guys can get an idea of what it's like during the day. So it's about, it's on a Tuesday afternoon, about 1:30, 2 o'clock. So it's, you know, right here in the middle of the afternoon. If you know anything about Pattaya, things are really just starting to wake up around now. But let's see what Beach Road looks like over here. So cannabis is now legal here in Pattaya or in Thailand. So you see all these stores opening up. And my friend Josh has a store. I'll put the link in the description below to his store. It's called Green Stop. McDonald's, more massage. And here we are. Last time I was here, it was a lot less crowded. There was like not much open up. That was last December. Look at all the boats out in the bay. It's really amazing. And I scheduled my time a little better this time. I have time to actually make videos. Last time I was here, I have a lot of friends that live here, so I didn't spend a lot of time meeting them. I didn't shoot a lot of videos, but I'm trying to get that done here today. Some more massage over here. Massage. More massage. Massage everywhere. Parasailing. More 7-Eleven. I know a lot of people like to film here at night. It is a lot more livelier. I like to come out during the day for a couple reasons. At night when it's busy, I don't really like to shoot that much, and this camera I use is not great in low level light, which I'm looking to upgrade potentially soon. Look at these coconut. Hello, Swaddy Cup. Swaddy Cup. You see, you can buy pretty much anything around here. Some smoothies and some fruit. The soy mak mak beautiful women. Soy mak mak. See, very quiet today. But I like that. I'd give you guys a different perspective on, you know, what goes on during the day. I know that at night there's a lot of action. But you know, there's two sides to every story. Lots of coconut vendors. I gotta tell you, this town is great. I love it here in Pattaya. It's low-key. It's a bigger city, but it's not. I'm not sure how many people. There's just anything you want here. All kinds of food. The beach is beautiful. The people are amazing. You really have to come visit. It's really just a great place to be. And then over here we got, you know, this is the beach road, obviously is touristy area. So we have the Ripley's, believe it or not, Bonchon, Sizzler. The Taco Bell is fairly new. Burger King. I think there's 2 McDonald's on this road also. Yeah, so we got McDonald's over here. Very quiet. So you could like wake up at like 11, get something to eat, come down to the beach for a few hours, go home, take a shower, and get ready, go out to dinner. Go out, have some drinks with friends, and you'll have a full day in paradise. So many coconut vendors, so many. Over here is Hops Craft Beer Bar. I've eaten there and had a couple beers there before. Very, very good. Most of the time the beer selection is like Leo, Chang, Singha. You can get like White Stefan in places, but over there they have some nice selection of beers. We got Hooters over here. Pretty sure that was Ladyboy. And all these chairs you can rent out for the day. I'm not sure how much they are, but I'm sure it's not much. Like if it, I'd be surprised if it was 100 baht. Mexican.
That's another thing I don't want. Yo, Worcester?
fresh juice. 50 baht, fresh juice. Look, she's got all these different, fruits here. Banana, orange, pineapple. I think this is mango.
100 baht. The year 100
What
baht.
you put coconut water in? Coconut water.
Ooh. Beautiful Pattaya. Pattaya sign. I just stopped for a second. I got a phone call. So let's keep on walking.
How much?
So there's a fireworks show coming up here Friday night, and they're preparing for it. There's gonna be a concert and fireworks, and it's gonna be really, really crazy busy down here. And look, as you go down the road, it gets cheaper and cheaper. I think it started out at like 120 baht. And we're down to 80 because we're getting towards the not so busy part. All right, for the most part, that's all of Beach Road here in Pattaya. Just nice little vibe going on today. A lot of tourists, people just hanging out, a lot of coconut vendors. Gets a little more lively at night, and you know, there's plenty of night videos there, so check out this day video of just a chill walk from Walking Street all the way down to the end of Beach Road. So I'll see you guys soon. Like, share, subscribe, hit that bell button. Please hit that bell button. And I'll see you guys again soon. Zeekman from Pattaya, Thailand.